Surface web. The surface web, which is also known as the public face of the internet, is the internet you use every day. It includes content like news sites, blogs, Wikipedia, YouTube, Reddit, online shops, basically anything that shows up in a Google search. No login is required to access it and is open and indexed by search engines. It is surprisingly small and only makes up about 4% to 10% of the total internet. Think of it like walking into a store's front window. It looks like everything's on display, but it's only a fraction of what's actually inside. Deep web. This is where most of the internet lives, but it's not dangerous. Here lies your email inbox, banking info, medical records, private databases, cloud documents, school portals, anything behind a login or paywall. It requires authorization like passwords, subscriptions, etc. It is surprisingly huge and makes up 90% or more of the internet. It's like the storage rooms, employee areas, and inventory systems behind that store window. Not visible from the outside, but absolutely necessary. The dark web. This is the layer that gets all the headlines, for both the right and wrong reasons. The dark web contains encrypted forums, marketplaces, whistleblower platforms, anonymous blogs, etc. It requires special software like Tor or I2P to access and is not indexed by search engines. It can be used for illegal purposes like drugs, weapons, stolen data, but can also be used for legitimate purposes like journalists in authoritarian countries, political dissidents, whistleblowers, cybersecurity researchers. The dark web is like a locked basement. Some go there for privacy, others for shady deals. It's not all evil, but it's definitely not a place for casual browsing.